Hi guys, I'm Kishore Vignesh. This is my first video on Linux basic terminal commands. In this video, you'll be learning about some basic Linux commands. At the end of this video, you'll be ready to use some Linux commands and execute them. Now let's open terminal. Okay. Now first, let's learn about the pwd command. pwd stands for present working directory. This command pretty much tells us that in which directory we are in. Now let's execute it by pressing enter. Yeah, this, if you see this, home Kishore Vignesh B desktop. Yeah, we are inside desktop. Okay, this command present working directory tells us in which directory we are in. We are in home Kishore Vignesh desktop. Now let's say if you want to go to Kishore Vignesh leaving desktop. Okay, now how to do that? We have to use change directory command, cd change directory command, and then two dots, cd space two dots, and press enter to execute. If you check your present working directory now, we'll be inside Kishore Vignesh because this change directory command helps us to get into the previous directory. Yeah, that is leaving desktop here and then coming into Kishore Vignesh. Now let's say we want to know about the directories inside this Kishore Vignesh directory. How to do that? We have to use list command, ls command. Let's execute it by pressing enter. Yeah, here we have, these are all the directories and files inside this Kishore Vignesh directory. Okay, now here we have desktop. Okay, now how to get into desktop? How to do that? Yeah, same, change directory command, and then you have to type the directory or the file name. Okay, now let's say desktop, in our case desktop. Remember, Linux is case sensitive, so we have to just reproduce the same name. Linux desktop. If you execute it, if you check your present, if you check your present working directory, we are inside desktop. Yeah, now let's say we want to create a directory inside desktop. Let me minimize this terminal so that we'll have a good idea. Okay, this is the desktop screen, and let's say we want to create a new directory inside desktop. We are inside desktop, right? Check your present directory. Yeah, we are inside desktop. Now let's say we want to create a new directory. How to do that? mkdir make directory command helps us to make a directory inside desktop. Yeah, make directory. Let's say we want to create a YouTube directory inside desktop, and then if you press enter, yeah, YouTube directory gets created automatically. Here you see YouTube. Now let's list all the directories inside desktop. We'll use ls command, press enter to execute. Now here we have YouTube. Okay, now let's say we want to get into YouTube, cd YouTube. Check your present working directory. Yeah, we are inside YouTube. Let's come out of YouTube, cd space dot to come out of YouTube. Now let's say we want to delete that YouTube directory. How to do that? We have to use rmdir command. This command helps us to remove an empty directory. Now we have an empty directory YouTube. We just created it here. Now we'll delete it now. We'll say remove directory rmdir and then YouTube. If you execute it, if you check your present working directory, yeah, there won't be YouTube directory. Yeah, here you can find it missing. Yeah, now we have learned to create and remove a directory. Now here it's a lot of mess here, right? This much screen. No, I want to clear all this thing. I want to go to the very beginning. How to do that? We have to use clear command. Clear command helps us to clear everything. Okay, now let's move a bit deeper inside change directory command. I told you cd is change directory. I'll teach you. Let's check our present working directory. we are inside desktop, right? If you want to, we have learned how to leave desktop and come to Kishore Vignesh. Let's say how to leave everything and go to the very beginning. How to do that? Yeah, we have to press cd space space, cd space space, and then cd space space. Have to do everything. Sorry, cd space 2 dots, then cd space 2 dots. Yeah, if you check your present directory, we are at the very beginning. Okay, if you want to go to your home directory directly, have to use cd tilde. If you check your present working directory, we are inside Kishore Vignesh. Now I told you, for going to the very beginning, we used cd dot dot cd dot dot. Instead of doing a lot of times, we can use this cd and then space slash. If you execute it, sorry, one sec, cd slash. If you execute it, if you check your present directory now, yeah, you're at the very beginning. And then for jumping into your home directory, you have to use cd and then this sign, tilde. Okay, you can find it below the escape button. If you press enter, you'll be inside your home directory. Yeah, my name is Kishore Vignesh and this is my home directory. Now let's say we'll learn about, no, we used clear to clear all these. We use clear to clear all these, right? Now this command tput clear also does the same. Okay, not a big difference. Now let's learn about this man command. This man command works like a man Friday. Okay, like a servant. It helps us to get the manual page of whatever commands available. Let's say I want to know more about the list command, so I'm going to say man space ls. If you execute it, yeah, here you have the list manual. Here you can find the deep instruction about the list commands. If you want to quit from here, like q to quit, so q, we are back again. Now let's learn about another one command, a final command for this first video. Let's learn about echo. Yeah, everyone should be known about echo. It just prints whatever we type after echo. Let's say echo Kishore Vignesh, my name. It's gonna say Kishore Vignesh. That's it. And let me teach a bit more in ls command. I told you ls command lists everything inside this Kishore Vignesh directory, right? If you want to know all the hidden files inside Kishore Vignesh, how to do that? You have to use list and then you have to use an option -a. This option helps us to see all this option with this list command helps us to see all the hidden files inside Kishore Vignesh. Now let's use ls and let's see the difference. You see here, if you use ls, these are all the files we are getting, but you use ls and -a, we can all see the hidden files. Okay, now let's learn about another one option in ls ls/l. Okay, this option lists a bit more details, okay, about the files. Now if you see here, this desktop and the time it was created, July 7 2000 sometime 1438, and then who owns it? Yeah, me, Kishore Vignesh. And then what this means, I'll tell you. This is for root user, this is for a group user, and this is for the local user who has the authority to rewrite, write and write. Okay, we'll learn about this in the videos. Okay, don't care about it much. And then another one thing, the final for this video, ls, we can use more than one option. Okay, al, yeah, this what it does, that we have combined ls minus l and then ls minus a. So what we get a details about each files, even the hidden files. Okay, see the difference. Can use multiple options in ls. Okay, let's say bye. This is the end of the first tutorial. Catch you in the second one. Bye for now.